stockings.
Stockings.
Some Christmas stockings hung from the chimney, right? That's where we're gonna hang them?
Yep.
Okay, cool. We are getting really close to Christmas.
2 months away.
Less than a month away. What better time to start doing some Christmas stuff?
Yeah.
Today we do stockings.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. This is what we need for supplies. Poscas, paint markers of various types. We've got a Sharpie, pencils, glue stick, a couple pairs of scissors. These are the only things we pre-cut out. Triangles to make a tree, and a hat,
Snow.
and 3 balls of snow for the snowman.
Yeah.
And of course you need some construction paper. We have red, black, white, and obviously we used some green already. First things first, Odin, we are going to each take a piece of red and a pencil. You want this pencil or that pencil? Trade? Okay.
Wait, no.
No trade. 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 Okay. No, wait, no trade. That was no trade.
That
Trade. No
was
trade.
double
Okay.
trade.
So what we're gonna do is on this red, we're gonna draw a stocking, which is basically like a sock. Okay.
We
Ready?
don't go for pressure, we go for fun.
That's right, buddy. We're gonna use pencil to do an outline, and then we're gonna go over it in Sharpie, and then we'll cut it out.
Yeah.
Nice and big. You want it to take up almost the whole page. Down the side we go. I'm gonna go light, and then I'll darken it up. So we're gonna draw. I'm gonna draw kind of light. And when I get about here, I'm gonna curve it in. And then I'm gonna round off the end of my stocking. And then when we get about here, I'm gonna start to go up. And I'm gonna connect. Okay? That's a pretty good stocking. The only thing is, I need to make it a little wider at the top. So that happens to me a lot when I draw these Christmas stockings. I draw them more like regular socks.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. I like that one, buddy. Nice job, Odin, erasing. Now you're gonna get your Sharpie out.
Yay.
And we're just gonna trace over these socks, these stockings, with black line. Now you can cap that. We're gonna cut these out. We're gonna cut these beautiful stockings out, okay?
Okay.
Just do the best we can. We'll fast forward this part. Ready, set, go! Yay! Look at that stocking. I love it. One cut. Ready? Ooh. Now he's got a heel.
Oh yeah, here.
Okay, I love your little stocking. It's just about right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Odin's foot's littler than Daddy's foot.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do next, Odin, is we're going to grab some white paper. We're gonna make the heel and the toe of the stocking white. First of all, I'm gonna cut this in half so you have a half a piece and I have a half a piece, okay? This is thick paper, isn't it, buddy? It's like cardstock. So you have half and I have half, all right? We wanna make sure that the toes will be an appropriate size, right? And it's gonna curve this way and it's gonna curve this way. That would be really way too hard to try to draw on here and cut out and have it come out perfect. So all we have to do is take our paper and we have to just cut like the curved part that we want to see on the sock, like this. Okay, so here's a little trick. This is what's gonna show up on the sock. So I'm gonna glue that on right now, okay? I'm gonna glue that on right now, and then I'm gonna flip it over and cut it. I'll show you what that looks like. You ready, Odin? I'll help you in just a second, okay? I'm gonna line that up. So that's what's gonna be showing. And then I'm gonna flip it over, and now I'm gonna cut it. Watch this. Boom. The white part of the sock is now on there. Okay, good. Oh, good curve. Good job. We're gonna kind of use this backwards. You're gonna put whatever curved part you want, and we're gonna glue it right on there, and then we're gonna go cut it off, okay?
Okay.
And then you cut it, okay, Odin? Don't cut my fingers off. Ready for the reveal?
Yep.
Boom! Look at your little white part of your
And then
toe.
we're gonna do another.
Now we're gonna do the heel, okay? And the strategy is gonna be the same. I'm just gonna cut a little curved part on my paper, and then I'm gonna glue that on. Okay, you gonna do it with me? So I just need a little curved part for the heel. Maybe I'm gonna curve that just a little bit more. So it's a little bit more curved. Okay? I'm gonna glue this on, flip it over and cut it. And that's what Odin's doing right now. We're not going for perfection.
We're going for fun.
Now flip that baby over.
Now we're gonna cut out a big opening.
Okay, not quite yet. You looking to do the top?
Yeah.
Okay, not quite yet. What we're gonna do is, at least I'm going to, Odin has the option of not doing it, but I have created this black line that runs the outside of my stocking. And I want that black line there. The top doesn't matter because I'm gonna be putting something over the top of it. But I want the black line to show because I think it makes it stand out a bit. And it looks like Odin's going to join me. And then when we get to these white parts, we're gonna do the same thing so it stands out as well. So to do the fuzz at the top, we want it to be a little wider than the stocking itself, okay? And we want it to be wavy because it's supposed to be like fluffy, okay? I'll give you this in 1 second. So we want it to be a little bigger than the top. So it's gonna look like that. I think I might even make mine a little taller. Okay, so it's kind of cool to use a pencil and play around with how big you might want it. So we have special scissors that Odin can use, and let me just show what they can do. So they can cut it wavy for you.
Yep.
Okay. So he doesn't have to move his scissors too much like I'm gonna have to do.
Yeah.
Right, ready, set, go.
Hey Dad, can I write mine? I'm just gonna.
Yeah, so we're gonna write our names on the top of these stockings. So Odin's gonna go ahead and get started, and he's gonna spell his name. We have now completed some pretty cool stockings, and we could just leave them alone, and they would be really cool stockings. But we pre-cut some things. Odin's gonna put those together, and he's gonna have a snowman. I'm gonna put these together, and I'm gonna have a tree. All right, Odin, so we just have a few things left.
Yeah.
You wanna scooch in and we'll draw some things on here?
Yeah.
At this point, Odin and I started adding things with the Posca markers. We added things like a tree trunk, decorations, tinsel, a star. Odin added things like a ribbon for the hat, a carrot nose, pebbles for the mouth, and stones for the eyeballs and the buttons. Look at what we've got, buddy. These are so cool. Did we miss anything? I don't think so. Here, put it down. It's the last thing. The last thing we have to do is mount these on this awesome paper. So, like that, and like that. What do you think of that idea?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Stockings. We made stockings. I don't know why we're whispering. It's Santa Claus coming. We have to be quiet. Okay, good night. Wow, hopefully you like drawing those with us. Except we didn't draw them. Hopefully you like making those with us. We had a ton of fun. Did you have a good time, buddy?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to go to bed. Less than a month, Santa will be here. Okay? Remember, we need to be good boys and good girls, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't get on that naughty list.
Stay awesome. awesome. Bye.
Keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.
Bye.